Run up a little bit. Holy shit. Holy shit. They got a GT3 RS, man. Yeah, bro. GT3 RS for me any day of the week over a Z06. A Z06 would even be able to look on this run a track. Would it even be able to look on a 3RS around the track? Guys, this one would you take? A 3RS or a Z06? Corvette Z06 or a GT3RS? Anybody say Z06? That's because you don't know about the GT3RS. Period, right? Huh? That's the truth, ain't it? They're cool though. Huh? Definitely. What's up, budget? We're here to look at an M5. What you say about that? That's the R33? Oh shit, I love the R33s. They're my favorite. Everybody else says R32 or R34. Mine's the R33. And it's right-hand drive. Holy shit. That's a nice R33. But yeah, we're here at the Chevy dealership to look at a BMW. Crazy, ain't it? No, you know what would be worse if you're at a Chevy dealership look at a Ford. The Z06 is cool, but GT3RS all the way. We're talking about the coffee machine, ladies and gents. You like hazelnut? But look, we have a Corvette book. Yo, on the camera, look, like a full outline. Yeah. We have a Corvette book and it shows everything about the C7 generation. From the Stingray to the Z06. If you know me, I want a Z06. One day though. One day. M5 first. It's completely stock. There's no modification for it, right?
It's completely stock. No modification.
And the interior, that's the most important part. Look, you see the tint, Jalen? Interior, still white. They could fix this too?
I can check with the service department. I think they can fix it.
So it was smoked in, right? They smell like it. Huh? It smell like it been smoked in. You smell it?
We can test drive it if you want.
Yeah. Hold on. Open the bonnet. Soft close because you got the executive package. Engine on it. The engine is good?
Engine is good. You can hear the noise, and the car hasn't, going to the inspection.
Yeah.
We appraise the vehicle, which check like before. If you buy the car today, you'll have to come for the all the we can
try to fix up the stuff. You got stop downpipes. That's good. And the cover that's normally right here. The cover missing?
Yeah. The car is missing.
So anything on it that's a problem now before we buy it, they can fix.
I mean, certain, like for example, this one, I can fix it.
Huh? Hold on, not yet. It's a lot more beat up than I thought, guys. It's the perfect spec, perfect color, perfect interior, perfect sound system, perfect roof, perfect brakes. It got so many things going for it, but it's so beat up on the inside and there's shit missing. What the hell? The front bumper is hit, but it got the bowers. The front bumper is hit. The engine bay cover is gone. Over there look like it's burnt, but we're gonna see, man. I gotta show the camera that. Look guys. Come on now, it has the hand gestures. Okay. Look at the lights. You see it? Alright. It sounds really good. I ain't gonna lie, it sounds really good. Alright, let's go for a drive. This is not a part. auto hold. It's in M2. Alright, ready? So the thing is, I've been looking for this for so long, man, you know? And that's why I saw it this morning, because I look for them every day. I saw it this morning and then I called the lady. I'm like, hey, you guys love this car? She's like, yeah. I'm like, okay, I want it. You know, I want to come see it. I asked her, does it have the Bose? She said yes. And then she told me she was looking at the window sticker. So I said, can you send it to me? She sent it over, and since then I just told him and we came down, man.
Yeah,
we came down.
You live like local or?
Nah, we live in something minutes, 40 minutes away.
It's not too far. I drive like 40 minutes just to get.
We're going right or left? Ooh.
Right?
It's so touchy, bro. The carbon ceramic brakes.
So we'll go all the way down to Costco and make it down.
Ooh. That's not even trying it. Yeah, you hear the turbos, right? Yeah, you do hear the turbos, bro. Holy shit. Hold on. I just want to make sure the camera is recording properly. You say make a left?
Yeah. So here you have a street. So you can go all the way down.
Holy shit. And it's stuck. Ain't no way.
And it's stuck.
That's stuck. What? Left or right? All the way down?
Yeah, all the way.
All right, we gonna do a launch then, okay? That's good with you?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Holy shit.
Wow.
Okay. Make a U-turn?
Yeah.
I'll put it in M1. It's so nice, yo. That was in all-wheel drive. That was just a launch. I'm gonna see. We'll go for it again. That was so, yo. It feels like. I just want to double check, make sure the camera is recording good. You saw my phone fall? You saw the phone?
Yeah.
And the keys fell out too.
Yeah.
Oh, here it is, right here.
Got it?
Damn, everything fell out. That launch was crazy. If it's something where we can work out a deal for it, I'm taking it. Because it's the only blue one with white interior that I've been able to find, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
With the Bowers and Wilkins, with everything that I want. This car has basically all the options that I want. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So it's a no-brainer to get it if everything is the way it should be. Let's try to go off. Before security come to us. Let's floor it again. I think it just spun up a little bit.
Yeah.
God damn, this car feel nice, bro. The brakes are super touchy.
Yeah.
We're going straight?
Yeah.
Carbon ceramics.
Okay, we're gonna floor. You ready, JR?
Yep.
Ooh. God damn. It's sure it's stuck.
That's what I'm saying.
And it's completely stuck, right? Because it
Completely
feels
stuck,
super
yeah.
aggressive.
I feel like it's pulling a little bit harder
Than the other M5s. It
Yeah.
feels like it's pulling harder than the other M5s we've driven.
It's fully loaded.
It is. The brakes are so touchy,
So the stop sign will make it
right?
right. Yeah.
You hear the turbo a lot too. I'm put it back in all-wheel drive, bro. And rear wheel, it steps out. And they ain't mines yet, so we ain't gonna do all of that. God damn. I love it. Guys, if you've been staying true to the channel, you know how bad I want this M5. And I think it's time. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna discuss some stuff about it, and we make a decision, man. Yeah? Yeah. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned for the updates. We'll keep you guys posted on what's going on. Damn. I like it, bro.
You have one shot.
Did yours? Yeah. Mine is the SVJ, but I need one of those in the fleet too. Everybody need a Porsche, bro.
Of course.
And especially a GT3 RS.
So you like the Lambo?
The SVJ, yeah. My neighbor has an Aventador, and we did a video on it. And I had a Lambo for my birthday. My mom had got me a Lambo, so we had a Huracan. We were pushing that. So I love Lambos. I'm a Lambo boy, you know. One thing I want to take a picture of, right, just to check on it, is when we put it in rear-wheel drive mode, right? When you put M1, M2 two times, that comes up. I'm not sure if it's an issue or if it's supposed to. I also want to take a picture to see if it's supposed to come, just to check it, because I'm not sure if it should, but just in case, because I got somebody that knows everything about these, so I'm gonna just ask him if it should come up. Guys, so let me know what you guys think about the M5. I need the steering wheel to come back down. Let me just go like this and put it down, because I need that thumbnail, you know what I'm saying? That thumbnail, baby. POV in the M5, yeah. Finally found the dream M5, ladies and gents. Yeah, everything I need. It got the Bowers and Wilkins, but the only thing, it got a few issues, man. Right here, burned off. It's probably some simple fix right here, but if they can fix these stuff, I'll take the car. But I'm not gonna buy a $70,000 car with certain issues, you know what I'm saying? The front bumper has a crack in it, which isn't an accident that's reported. That's good, as in resale value, but also mean I'm paying a higher price for a car that had a front end crash. So stuff like that, man. Maybe somebody just hit it on a curb, but still, you gotta fix stuff like that. So we're checking to see if his manager will pay to fix those, because I won't. Cool, I'm not gonna buy a $70,000 car and then next 2 days I'm at the body shop because a $70,000 car needs a new front bumper, need the interior redone. The white seats are lovely, they're not too used, especially the back. I got 2 kids, they're gonna sit around there. You know, the smoke scent, that's an easy come out, but that gotta be fixed. That gotta be fixed. That gotta be fixed. Front bumper gotta be fixed, and then we'll talk. So, but other than that, I love this car, man. So stay tuned. M5 will be on the channel soon. We just gotta get the right one, baby. This might be it. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Later. GT3 RS?
Yes, sir.
Look at the bucket seats. Look at the bucket seats. And they got the fire extinguisher too. Damn. Okay. Guys, everybody know, man, this is everybody perfect, you know, one fast car
All in one.
they can track. GT3 RS. Yeah, we gotta shout out your stuff, bro. You know what I'm saying? And yo, the seats are carbon fiber.
Yeah.
That's sick. Roll cage in the back. We all think about the Porsche. It gotta be the next car. M5 first, one step at a time, bro. We gotta climb up. 60,000, 100,000, then the 200,000. Damn, GT3 RS. I can't even fit in those seats, bro. I get that.
You're not a Mustang guy?
Huh?
You're not a Mustang guy?
What?
Like if you like the Mustangs or?
Oh, the Mustang? Oh yeah, some of my boys got them. But
what
that
about-
one, huh?
What about the Corvettes? You know?
Oh, I love the Z06. Not this one, the C7 Z06.
Okay.
My favorite with a stick shift.